Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra Air Sign. This is August monthly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. Libra Air Sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Under the deck, Page of Swords, Queen of Cups, Queen of Swords, and Justice. I think you decided to cut off someone from your life. You want balance in your life. Right now, there is no balance. So, you are setting boundaries. You are setting healthy boundaries, Libra. And it's your card and it's your reading, Justice here. And Queen of Cups. You are very sharing and caring person. Even though you decided to cut off this person from your life, but still you have strong emotions towards this person. And lot of spying is going. You may be spying on them on social media, or they are spying on you on social media. For some, children's also involved in this connection. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Emperor, Judgment, and Queen, King of Wands. You are taking your power back. You are on your power in recent past, and you are in the process of some making decision. Judgment, yes. So you made some decision regarding your relationship or regarding your life. Especially you are focusing on your inner strength, on your power in recent past. Then present, Queen of Pentacles, Page of Cups, and Ace of Cups. For some, a brand new person is entering in your life, and for some, you are doing self love. You are giving priority to yourself. You more concentrating on your abundance. This is concentrating on your career, Queen of Pentacles energy. But someone is coming back with an apology. For some, it could be a past person. For some, there is offer is coming for you. Then future, Nine of Swords, the Tower, and Four of Pentacles. So maybe you decided to cut off this person and you did it. You will, for some you will do it. Still you stuck on them. You are getting a lot of thoughts, especially when you are alone. You are getting a lot of thoughts, and your sleeping patterns are also disturbing, especially when you are alone. And the Tower, definitely it is very painful moment for you, and then you are holding back. You are not you decided not to opening up anybody emotionally, especially you are holding back, Libra. But some message, some text is coming, and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So Libra, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So under the deck, Three of Cups, King of Cups, Knight of Swords, and Eight of Wands. Someone is rushing to communicate with you. There is lots of communication is coming. Yeah, this person do love you. They want to offer their cup of love to you. And lots of you are in third party situation, but they want reconciliation with you. There is lots of communication is coming for you in the month of August, Libra. So let's see their current feelings and intentions for you. Libra, your person current feelings and intentions. Lot of cards. Your person current feelings and intentions. Yes, lots of communication is coming. Knight of Cups, Hierophant, Page of Cups and Ace of Swords. Definitely there is truth coming out, clarity. They wanna, because they did hurt you in past, now they wanna say apology to you. Or they're thinking about commitment. They have romantic feelings for you. They're thinking about to communicate with you. Eight of Wands, lots of communication. Right now they're missing you badly. Three of Swords energy. And Three of Wands, lots of you are in long distance relationship. And your person is still waiting on you. And they want some positive growth in this relationship. So let's see their intentions, their current intentions. Libra. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Pisces. Six of Pentacles, Four of Swords, Magician, and Four of Cups. For some, they are healing right now, but they're thinking about you. In past, there is no equal give and take in this relationship. Maybe they treated you as a option, but now they're really thinking about equal give and take. Maybe they have options, but they're going to be choose you. And for some, they are manifesting you because the Pisces, because the Moon and the Magician card is here. Your person is waiting for right time, Wheel of Fortune, and Two of Wands. Yeah, they want to take action when the right time. So they are waiting for right time. But I am seeing lots of communication is coming, clarity is coming. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome, Libra. For some, waiting game is going between you and your person. But they are realizing you both. Because you decided to cut off this person from your life. Then they're starting realizing you both. Yeah, Tower, High Priestess. So the separation is a tower moment for them. And they started listening to their intuition and trusting their intuition. Yes, Page of Wands. Definitely lot of you, there is age difference between you and your person. They want to fix the things and they're obsessed with you. Maybe your person have a lot of domination in this relationship. For some, they are manifesting you energetically. Yes, you want stability, you want marriage. Less than this, you don't want. You want marriage, that's all. And you're also feeling stuck, the hand. I think it's came reverse. So I think you are now very free. You moved on. A lot of you are moved on. But some spying is going. So let's see mutual energies. Maybe for some you both are spying on each other. Cold shouldering, because in this relationship there is no equal give and take. One person treating other person as an option, neglecting or rejecting that type of energy I'm getting here. But there is equal give and take. It's Five of Pentacles to Six of Pentacles. There is progress in this relationship in the month of August. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Libra. I am feeling sad without you. Retreat. I can't give you what you need, and a lot of abundance is coming. So the messages are, I am feeling sad without you. Retreat. I can't give you what you need, and a lot of abundance is coming. So let's see what are the messages for you, and to breathe out. Take time to breathe out, and your dreams need a practical plan. So if you are doing a lot of work, this is the message for you. Take some break. And your dreams need a practical plan. Full moon in Taurus energy. So if you are dreaming about something, first you need to prepare a plan. Then you have to execute it successfully. Then your dreams will come true. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.